In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drip campaign in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll have an automated sequence that welcomes subscribers and delivers messages on a schedule without you lifting a finger each time. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mailerlite. Click the official Mailerlite website, then log in to your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Automations tab. This is where you'll build your sequence. Click New Automation. You can start from scratch for full control, or choose a pre-made welcome email template if you want a faster setup. Templates are great for beginners and can always be customized. Next, give your workflow a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, especially if you'll be creating multiple automations. Now set the trigger that starts the sequence. A common choice for a welcome drip is when a subscriber joins a group. This means the moment someone is added to a specific group, they'll automatically enter this workflow. After choosing the trigger, select the exact subscriber group you want to enter the drip. Groups help you target the right audience, like new customers, newsletter signups, or course registrants. With the trigger ready, click the plus icon below it and select Email to add your first message. Enter your subject line and sender details, then click Design Email. Use the drag and drop editor or pick a template to build your content. Keep the first email warm, clear, and helpful. Set expectations, share a resource, or introduce your brand. Personalization, such as using the subscriber's first name, can improve engagement. To create the actual drip, add a delay before the next email. Click the plus icon after your first email and choose Delay. Set the interval. 2 days is a common starting point, but choose a cadence that fits your audience and content. Shorter delays feel more conversational. Longer delays give people time to explore your first message. Repeat this pattern. Add another email, then another delay, until your sequence is complete. You might follow a flow like welcome, value or tips, social proof, and a gentle call to action. Keep each message focused on one outcome and make sure the timing aligns with your goals. When everything looks good, turn the automation on by toggling the switch to on or clicking Activate in the top right corner. Take a moment to preview your emails and double-check links, branding, and timing. Once live, your drip will run automatically, and you can always come back to refine content, adjust delays, or update the group as your strategy evolves.